Hello curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet in 2018. So I have had really positive feedback for this makeup look. It is basically a golden smoky eye with a very strong purple lip. So I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. Stay tuned for the rest of the tutorial. So I'm starting off with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer. I've already applied this to my face and I had to apply some Vaseline to my lips because they just looked kind of dry. Now I'm using this Oval 6 brush. This is my first time using this brush. It's from a company called Artist Brush. You may have heard of them before. And I'm using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I actually really love this brush. I was, as you can see, quite impressed with the coverage it gave me. And yeah, it just applied my liquid foundation really smoothly and it just had a really lovely finish, really smooth. So I was very impressed and happy. So now I'm moving on to concealing under my eyes, and I have used the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the colour Amande. And I also use that to prime my eyes slightly as well. And of course I'm using my Makeup Revolution banana powder to set those in place. This is my usual routine, as you've seen in some of my other makeup tutorials. And I am just brushing that away with my MAC Mineralize SkinFinish powder. I'm just going over some of my dark marks on my face. I've had some acne breakouts, unfortunately, due to the winter time. So I'm just using my concealer just to conceal those areas. You can see this concealer is basically my skin color. It's not a highlighting concealer for me. I just kind of going for more of a even toned natural look, and then I use some of it to clean up under my brows as well, which I'd already done off camera. So now I'm using this Face Form palette by Sleek, and this is going to start off my smoky eye. So I'm just using that dark brown color and I'm working that into my outer V. And I'm just using this fluffy brush. It has no product on it. I'm just using it to blend out the corners of that. So now I'm using this Coco Deluxe color, which is more of an iridescent brown. And I'm just going over the outer V. So the same area that has the dark brown in, just to give it a little bit more depth and a little bit more dimension. And again, I am blending that out some more. So I'm moving on to using the Fortune Favours The Brave palette. I haven't used this one in a while. So I'm using this foiled gold colour, and I'm also using this iridescent purple toned colour, and I'm going to be using my D-Slick setting spray just to spray onto my brush. The reason being is that I really want the foiled gold colour to really have more of a pop on my eyes. It applies really nicely with the brush, but when it's applied with a little bit of setting spray or even with your fingers, it comes out with a lot more of the foiled effect. So this is the reason why. So you can see that I'm working that more into the inner corner of my eye and the center, and then blending it out a little bit more to the outer V. And then I'm using a bit of the black color from the same palette, and I'm just applying that to my outer V as well. Again, this is just adding to the smoky effect or the smoky look, and this is the reason why I've used this flat sort of shader brush, because I want to have a bit more control over how much of a dark shadow appears in the corner of my eye. Now I'm using this tapered shader brush, and I'm just using that to kind of apply and blend the colors more, and yeah, just to basically deepen the dark color as well. And again, I'm going back to my shader brush, which doesn't have any product on it, and I'm just using little circular motions just to help to blend the golden part of my eye with the darker, more smoky part of my eye. So yeah, I'm doing a lot of work with blending at the moment for this look, and it's just because smoky eyes can look a bit muddy if you don't blend them as much as possible. So as usual, I'm using my finishing powder, my Mineralize SkinFinish from MAC, just to help to blend the overall look into the rest of my eye. And then I decided to just add some more gold because I just wanted it to pop a little bit more. And again, just adding a bit more gold into that area where the blending is going on. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it at this point. So I've added my eyeliner and I've added these lashes. It was a struggle, but the effects were well worth it. I love these double up lashes from Ardell. So now I have moved on to doing a bit of powder contouring. I've decided not to go with a very strong contour for this look, but I just wanted to add just a little bit. And I've used the Oval 6 brush again just to help to blend this out, and it blended out beautifully with this brush. I just love the way that this brush actually buffs products into the skin. It looks gorgeous. And then I'm just blending that contour out just a little bit with my MAC Mineralize SkinFinish. So here I'm working on my eyes, my under eye, and I'm just using the same colours I've basically used on top of my eye. And I've also used two eyeliners here. I've used one from M Cosmetics, which is a gorgeous black gel liner, and the other one is this Eye of Horus bronze colour, which just adds a really beautiful bronzed golden look to my eyeline. And of course I've put a little bit of mascara. And then I decided that I wanted to add a bit more purple into the look of my eyes. So I've used a very dark purple and then this really gorgeous Maybelline pop of purple and a little bit more mascara underneath my eyes. Now here I wanted to add a lip liner, but I didn't want it to be a different colour from the actual colour that my lips are going to be. So I've used this clear lip liner from Makeup Forever, just to basically keep my lip colour in place. And I am using this very bold colour from Sleek Makeup. This is called Mulberry. This lipstick always comes out at this time of year for me. It's very moody, it's very dramatic, and sometimes I just like moody and dramatic, you know. So now I've used this purple colour. I'm going to put the name of this colour in the description box. I believe it's called Seductive Damson, but it just wasn't giving me enough purple, so I decided to add another lighter purple on top, and this one is Heroine by MAC. And you can see, even when I showed it to you, you can see that I usually use it with a darker colour in the outside. I love the combo. It just gave me a very slight ombre look to my lips, which I loved. And now I'm just using this small brush just to apply my highlighter, which is Rodeo Drive by Ofra Cosmetics. You can probably tell that I really love Ofra highlighters. It's just a thing. I love this stuff. They're so gorgeous, and yeah, they just add a really gorgeous just iridescent glow. And then yeah, I'm just blending this out a little bit more over my cheeks. I don't want it to just be a big splodge of colour across my cheeks. I do want my highlighter to kind of blend out a little. And then I've used a little bit of this blush colour from the Sleek Face Form palette, and I'm happy with the results. So now I've used this large fluffy brush, and the point of this is to just kind of bring everything together and to blend all of the parts of my face together. And again, that's with the MAC Mineralize SkinFinish. And I decided this time that I want to spray my face. Yes, I took my hair down. Yes, a twist out tutorial is coming. And then I have used the same highlighter colour and put that for a pop of colour in the inner tear duct, and my look is complete. As you can probably tell, I was really loving this very moody purple, you know, just dramatic look. And what I love about this look is also it can be paired with any other purple accessories that I or you may have. So I paired it with this very dramatic purple droplet necklace. So thumbs up if you loved it, and I will see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care. Bye.